Hello everyone and welcome to this week's art club. Today in art club we are going to be making some paper peacocks. For this activity you are going to need a paper plate cut in half, a cardboard roll, blue and yellow paint to make green, some yellow card, PVA glue and brush, scissors, pencil and some googly eyes if you have some. First things first, get your cardboard roll, cut it down to size and then paint it with your blue paint. Once you've done that, leave it to dry and then add some yellow paint to your blue paint to make green. Then get your half paper plate and cover it up like this. You can leave some white spaces just to give it a feathery effect. Then once they're dry, you are going to get your PVA glue and stick your cardboard roll onto the centre of your paper plate, just like this. This is the base and body of our peacock. Next, get your orange or yellow paper and start drawing some circles. You might want to fold it in half because we're going to be cutting these circles out and it just saves a little bit more time. Then we're going to start gluing these polka dot spots onto the back of our peacock, nice and evenly spaced. Then get your blue paint and a finger and we're going to be doing some finger painting, covering just the centre of each of these orange or yellow dots with a fingerprint. And by doing this we're getting that nice feathery, beautiful pattern that you see on peacocks. Cut out a diamond shape from your yellow card for a beak, grab some googly eyes or a felt tip if you have them, stick them on, and we're done. There you have it, there is your paper peacock. Thank you so much for joining us this week in Art Club. We'll see you next time.